All right, now after the drone body, the BSF is also flagging Chinese drone menace. After Rahul Gandhi's video, BSF says DJI drones showed by Rahul used for terror. Pakistan terrorists use the same Chinese drone, says the BSF. Drone used to smuggle drugs and arms. Rahul Gandhi is facing flag for flaunting Chinese drones. It's invited flag from the BSF. BSF flags Chinese drone menace. Remember, the drone body also had hit out with Rahul Gandhi for the drone that he had spoken about in that particular video, which we will also put out for our viewers. That's the video on your screens right now, in which Rahul Gandhi was seen and heard praising the drones made in China. It's been banned, says the drone body. The DJI drones are no good, and it is belittling our effort. Now the BSF has also stepped in, saying that the drone was used to smuggle drugs and arms. That's what the BSF has said. Pakistan terrorists use the same Chinese drones. The DJI drone showed by Rahul used for terror, says the BSF, flagging Chinese drone menace after the video that was put out by Rahul Gandhi. I'm going to go straight across to Shivani for more details on that. Shivani, now it's not just the drone body that has flagged this off, but also importantly the BSF saying that these are drones used by China and other countries as well, like Pakistan, for example, to peddle terror. That's what they do.
Sneha, see, the BSF tries to neutralize all those attempts of these drones that are entering Indian borders, and the drones that are being used are the DJI drones that are used by Pakistan smugglers, Pakistani terrorists for bringing in the drugs and illegal weapons into Indian territory. And today, in fact, when the BSF has shared this particular information, it has shared that 2 drones have been again caught around the international border area, and these are the same DJI drones that Rahul Gandhi is making a mention of. So this is very clear, Sneha, on telling that what kind of drone Rahul Gandhi has been showcasing, because Smit Shah, who's the head of the Drone Federation, he has flagged that the Chinese drones which Rahul Gandhi has been showing and praising are actually prohibited in India, and the security apparatus has already banned all those drones that use Chinese components. And here he's trying to belittle Indian drone company. And in fact, Sneha, we were in Aero India, where we've seen how the drone companies of India have been flourishing in terms of technology. They are at par with the best companies of the world. And Indian drone industry is developing fast. And in that scenario, Rahul Gandhi is showcasing this particular drone, which is not only of Chinese make, but has been prohibited by the security apparatus and is used by the terrorists to illegally smuggle weapons and drugs into Indian territory.
Shivani, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Thanking you for getting in your inputs, your perspective on that story. The BSF upset with that video that has been put out, and so is the drone body.